Let's take a look at how you can manage your billing and subscription information for QuickBooks Online. We'll go over changing or canceling your plan, changing your billing frequency, and viewing your payment history. We'll see where you can add or manage services, such as Payments and Payroll. And finally, we'll look at where you can order new checks or 1099 and W-2 forms. To get started, select the gear icon, then Account and Settings. This takes you to the Company tab. Here's where you can change any of your company or contact information. If you have multiple companies in your account, make sure you're in the correct company. Once you have confirmed everything here is correct, select Billing and Subscription. Here's where you can make all your changes. If you need to update payment information, just select Edit, make the necessary changes, and save. If you want to change your billing frequency, you can do that here. If you want to upgrade your QuickBooks plan, select Upgrade. You can see your current plan plus the other options you have. If you need to cancel or downgrade your subscription, you can do that here as well. You can view your payment history here and even create and print a report. Finally, you can also use this section to add services like payroll or payments, manage those services if you've already subscribed to them, and order checks, 1099s, or W-2s. Log in now to see and update all your billing and subscription options.